Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the fax resolution on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's select the function settings and go over to send. Now here we need to click on the fax settings, and here in the change default settings fax we will have our resolution. So as you guys can see, we can change it to normal, fine, photo, super fine, all ultra fine. So here as you guys can see, we can change it and it will apply after we click this button right here. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.